How to see your block list on Facebook. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to find your block list on Facebook. Now, before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon for more videos like this. So what you basically have to do first is open up Facebook. Now, to be able to find your blocked list, first go to the settings at the top right or the profile icon. And once you get to this menu, you want to scroll down until you find settings and privacy, and then simply tap on settings. Now once you go to settings menu, you can scroll down here and find blocked people. So you can just tap on this blocking option, and then you'll find all of the blocked profile over here and your block list. If you want to add more people to your block list, tap on add to block list, search for a name or email address, and then you can just tap on block. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can find your block list on Facebook. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.